Hey guys, so I've been playing with Forge for like a week, and I didn't know that like one of my mods has like a cheat or like cheats built into it, but yeah, and like I don't know, I think it's my CPS mod, but I'm gonna try them out. Like they're just like really horrible. It, like autoclicks 8. This is like, hold on, I'll show you the what it is. I'll use the easy bot because it's really difficult to play with this, but yeah, so. Let me show you real quick what it's like. I'm not moving my mouse by the way. It's auto clicking, uh, 8 CPS. Um, you can see the aim assist is like this is really awful. Um, let's oh my god. Oh, you put the yeah. Like look when I get knocked back. I can't do it right now. Let me turn off the trigger bet. Hold on. Look at this. Like what is that? Like it's so real. Let me turn this. So yeah, I'm gonna try this like a game. Um, I don't know if this is like just normal. Let's just leave. I don't want to. Let's do no one's queuing. Oh, someone's queuing classic. Okay. I'm gonna try to win this, whatever this is. I think this is like, I don't know. This is like Kohi. So there's like really old cheats back when no one cheated. Hold on. Let's see. The knockback is so bad. Um, yeah. Um, let's go. You know, it's like queuing on this game's kind of, the server's kind of dead. Yeah, I'm not trying this on MMC because this is gonna get. Look at this. No one's bypassing with this. Like, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna look at my mods folder. Clear this out. Oh my. Oh, let's just do one more fight. This is so funny. Let's do a hard bot. No debuff. Let's hold on. Trigger bot real click. Uh, let's turn the aimbot range to like 8s. Trigger bot delay. I'll do like 30. But does not. Oh, it doesn't save. Hold on. Aimbot range to 8s. And then knockback. Oh, we can multiply the knockback? Okay, hold on. 10. I'm gonna get like banned immediately. So, no, maybe not. Oh, I didn't even save it. I'm smart. Okay. Did it not even work? Can you not edit the settings? Oh, you can't edit the settings. You just have to stick with this. Well, yeah, that's something. Oh my god. Oh, what is this aimbot? No. Oh, did I turn off trigger bot? Oh, no, it's on. Oh my god. Nah. Oh my god. Yo, I can't pause. I'm gonna I'm gonna land. Oh my god. Hold on. I gotta change my settings here. Trigger bot. Oh, done. Okay. Oh god. Let's try it. Let's try it. Get the. No, let me get away. Get away. Ah, Um. Uh. This aimbot is so awful. Oh sh. Um. No, this guy's dying. Oh my god. Oh what? Yo. It's just this KB is. Oh my. If I lose to the clown bot, with, I mean, I don't know. It's kind of like a disadvantage, I guess. The knockback is. Oh my god, I might lose to the hard bot on PvP land. I'm gonna lose to the hard bot on. Oh, yeah. Um. Alright. That's the video. Um. Look at this. I'm gonna just walk around the lobby. Look at this. I'm not holding my mouse. It's so blatant. I don't know. Okay, I'm done. Oh, okay. I won't turn off. Okay, okay.